Guten Tag from Cologne, everyone. We're just exploring and we walk past this incredible building, Früh and Dom. The outside looks amazing, so we just had to pop our heads in to check out the interior. This is a traditional German brewery founded way back in 1904. It is still managed by the very same family 5 generations later. But Früh wasn't spared during the bombing of Cologne in World War II. The main building actually burnt down in 1944. But look at it now, we built an absolutely iconic. We saw it and we just knew we had to come back for dinner. It's perfectly located right near the Cologne Cathedral and is famous for brewing the local Heinz beer. And here's a fun fact. It can only be called Heinz if it's brewed right here in Cologne. How cool is that? We are ready to try it. We were quickly escorted to our table, nested deep within the building in one of these amazing lively halls. The atmosphere is just electric. Pro tip: the full English menu is available online, which is super helpful. But then our server, our very smart server, informed us that they have a special sampler dish with a little of everything. It's €108, but it's a full-on feast. We were like, yes please, sign us up. And just like that, the Heinz came. And it just keeps coming. The second you finish a glass, a new one appears. It's so easy to drink. I love this. Whoa, okay. I don't think this is our sampler. That was hilarious. The server just dropped 4 plates on our table that definitely weren't ours. They quickly retrieved them and served the table next to us. Apparently, that group decided to switch tables without telling anyone. Oh, the drama. And this is ours. The sampler platter has arrived and it did not disappoint. It is a mountain of glorious German food. There's a bit of everything for us to try. Sausages, potatoes, pork. Just amazing. But my favorite, it has to be the boiled knuckle. I know it sounds intense, but it is so incredibly soft and juicy. Unbelievable. Okay, I'm so full, but I have to do a little exploration. I found this spiral staircase. And when I walked down to the basement, it just opened up to more halls and rooms beneath the building. Gosh, this place is huge. It's like a secret city down here. I looked it up. This brewery pub has room for 1,500 guests. It's Germany's second largest brewery pub, second only to House in Munich, which I've visited a few times, and that's saying something. And dinner is over. We are so satisfied. The food, the atmosphere, the endless hush. It was the perfect German feast. We were so happy with the food and the service, even with the plate mix-up, that we gave our server a 10% tip, about €15. Totally deserved it. Thank you so much for joining us on this amazing dinner adventure. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Cheers!